So first off, you want your ignition to be on, and once your ignition is on, you want to look in the center console display. Look for car info and press to select. So now we're on step 2, now you're in the car info section. Now we want to select maintenance at the top right. So now we're on the third and final step. So now if you want to reset every service point, you can just press reset at the bottom left. But if you want to reset each one and manually, you can actually do that and put in the desired date and miles on each service point. But for the easiness of this video, we're just gonna press reset at the bottom left and it's all gonna be reset. And that's it, guys. You're all done. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.